Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential task for anyone using Meta or Facebook Ads Manager: how to remove a payment method. Whether you've got a new card, closed an account, or just want to tidy things up, this is super easy. Let's dive in. First up, you'll want to log into your Facebook account. Once you're in, head over to your Ads Manager. You can usually find it in the left-hand menu or just type Facebook.com/Ads Manager directly into your browser. Now look for the billing section or payment settings. It's often under a gear icon or a menu option. Click that. Here, you'll see all your saved payment methods. Find the one you want to remove. See that remove button or maybe a little trash can icon next to your card. Click it. Facebook will ask you to confirm. Sometimes, for security, you might even need to re-enter your password. Go ahead and confirm. And just like that, your payment method is removed. Quick heads up though, if that was your only payment method, you'll need to add a new one if you plan to keep running ads. Also, make sure you don't have any outstanding balances, or you won't be able to remove the card until those are settled. That's it, simple, right? If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. See you next time.